Hi guys, Chef Anthony here from Don's Appliances. Today I'm going to go over your 36-inch all-gas cooktop from Thermador. So if we look in the center, we have our great star burners right here. So four great burners on the outside. So this is going to be our lowest powered simmer here. So we have two of those. So we have in the front here and the back here for convenience. This is kind of where we want to put our finished sauces, our finished soups, our finished entrees, just to kind of keep warm, kind of keep it up to that, 200 degrees right before that boil. These two on the other side right here are the higher burners. So if we talk about that, this is where we want to really pan sear our stuff. We want to really get that kind of pasta water boiling if we don't have that oversized pot. In the very center, that's going to be our highest BTU burner. So if we want to put that big stock pot or that big frying pan right there, we have more than accessible to do that. So think about pan frying your big items, things like that. But these two burners on the side are kind of going to give you ton of BTUs and a ton of heat. Let's take this off and we're going to talk about the bottoms right here. So these are rubber on here so they won't scratch the stainless. So we want to make sure these are always fitted really nice. I tell customers a long time, no paper towel on these grates. So we want to use a dark cloth, we want to use an old rag, things like that. Anything white in here will make it look a lot older. The white will actually get into the metal. So if you want to clean them at the end, I soak them in the sink, a little mild soapy water, maybe a little dryer sheet in there, kind of get the edges, let them dry really well. Take a dark cloth, add a little bit of oil to it, and put the oil back in right here. Just brush them very lightly and let them dry before we cook on them. It'll really bring out the shine of the metal, okay? So when we talk about this too, so all these caps can be removed. So these are all removable. We could do the same thing on here. We could soak them, magic eraser them as well. So on this part here, this is really where we want to use magic eraser, barkeeper's friends, a little bit of vinegar and paste to kind of get any stains we have. So the only thing we have to worry about is these little white circles right here. These are the igniters. So we want to make sure these are clear and free of debris. So when we go to cook on them, they're going to ignite and light. And this really shows you how patented the star burner is, how the gas and the airflow mix. So, see how these little stars, little cuts everywhere? That's all engineering. That's really where this really gives you that continuous heat. So once this is clean and dry, we want to put stainless steel on, but the grain is going left to right. So we'll put our stainless steel cleaner down, we'll get a nice microfiber cloth, and we'll go left to right to kind of get all of this without streaking. So if we keep those simple tips, we're really going to get a nice product and we're going to see it look amazing. So these are removable as well. So if we pop these straight up, so we can actually clean around here and get the stainless as well. So a couple quick, easy features, okay? And I'm gonna talk about the burners right now. So if I push this back down and we turn it on, there's no gas on this, but this is the extra low. So you're gonna see this extra low. That's really where the Thermador star burner cycles on and off. So you can really keep chocolate melted at a low temperature, keep an Alfredo sauce, kind of anything from scorching. So you're gonna see that on all these burners. So we can go from the industry high to the industry low, really kind of do full circle cooking, I like to call it. So if you want to pan sear that whole meal, you want to keep a tea kettle nice and warm as well, or chicken noodle soup or chili for the game, anything like that, extra low is going to be your best friend for it. So hope you enjoyed this video, and happy cooking on your Thermador appliances.